If you wake up stiff, achy, or notice your knees and fingers creak when you get out of bed, you're not alone. Many seniors struggle with morning joint pain, and most don't realize that what they eat for breakfast can make it worse. Certain common foods like sugary cereals, white bread, pastries, or even fruit juice spike blood sugar within minutes. That triggers inflammation, swelling, and stiffness, making it harder to move, get ready, or enjoy your morning. Even if you stretch or walk, the damage starts at breakfast. The good news? You can turn your mornings around in just a few bites. Here are 3 breakfasts that fight inflammation, support your joints, and help you feel lighter, stronger, and more energetic. 1. Oats with turmeric and ginger. Boosts mobility. Cook half a cup of oats. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon fresh ginger. Curcumin in turmeric and gingerols in ginger help calm morning stiffness and swelling. Oats stabilize blood sugar, giving you steadier energy. Within a few days, you'll feel lighter, move easier, and face your morning without joint pain slowing you down. 2. Chia seed pudding with berries. Calms inflammation. Mix 3 tablespoons chia seeds with 1 cup milk and refrigerate overnight. Top with blueberries or raspberries in the morning. Omega-3s in chia reduce swelling, and antioxidants in berries protect cartilage. This creamy, filling breakfast keeps you satisfied, fights oxidative stress, and supports long-term joint health. 3. Avocado and smoked salmon toast. Fight pain and strengthen muscles. Mash 1/2 avocado on whole grain bread and top with 2 slices of salmon. Healthy fats lower morning pain, while protein helps maintain joint-supporting muscles. Even 2 bites help ease stiffness, reduce inflammation, and give you energy to move comfortably throughout your morning. Swap just 1 breakfast, and your joints may thank you. Small changes like these can make mornings easier, more comfortable, and far less painful.